Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel intro in Kinemaster. First, gather your essential assets like the Marvel logo and a suitable background. Next, open Kinemaster and create a new project, selecting the 16:9 aspect ratio. Import your chosen background image and the Marvel logo into your project. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. To begin, ensure you have downloaded a high-quality Marvel logo and any desired sound effects. Once ready, launch Kinemaster and tap to create a new project. It's best to choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for standard video. Now, import your selected background image and the Marvel logo into your media library. Place the background on the main timeline. Now, let's bring your logo to life. Add the Marvel logo over your background. Apply a subtle zoom animation to make it appear dynamic. Next, incorporate a shatter or burst visual effect to give it that iconic Marvel impact. Carefully adjust keyframes to ensure the motion is smooth and perfectly timed. Remember to synchronize these visual effects with your chosen intro audio for maximum effect. Finally, personalize your intro. Add custom text, such as your channel name or video title, using a bold, impactful font. Apply a glowing effect to make the text stand out. Integrate the iconic Marvel intro sound effect, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your visual animations. Once everything is polished, export your finished video in high definition, ready to impress your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.